Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a normal video to 4K Ultra HD using the VN apps. So here I've already added the clip into my VN video editor apps. And then the first thing that you can do is going to the filter menu. So let's find filter, this one. Now click on adjust tab and then you can follow the settings. So for the exposure, I'm going to increase it to around 26, and then the contrast, increase it to 100. Brightness, you can just lower it to -20, and then the saturation, increase it into lower it into -100. Now click on the sharpen and increase it to 100 like this. Now you can just click on a check icon and then export this projects first. Click on export, wait until the exporting process is done, and after this you can just go back to the editing page before. So click on this arrow at the top left corner, and now on this video go to filter again and here adjust, and you need to undo all of the adjustment before like this, and now you can go to filter and adjust again, and you can follow this new setting. So for the contrast, increase it to 100, and then the sharpness also 100, this one, and then go to the exposure and increase it to only around 18, and then brightness, lower it to -5, and lastly increase the saturations to how you like it. I'm going to go with 20, and after that you can click on the check icon and then use this to add the video that you just saved before. So click on this, click on video or photo, and then choose the video that you just exported before, this one. This is the same video, and after that find the fill option, this one, to fit the overlay into this canvas, and after that you can find blending and choose these mode, the difference, then just adjust the opacity to your liking. I'm going to go with 38, click on a check icon, and that's it. So this is the new quality, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.